Alright guys, we're here at the Wild Evo headquarters. We're not going to be working on any of these gems, but we're going to work on this turd.
No.
Shayne, what'd you do?
I broke it. Again. I break everything, man.
Alright, so Shayne, what are we doing?
Right now, we're going to be doing a timing kit on this thing.
Why?
Why? Because it's making noise. Clackety-clacking. Supposedly, it's a MIVEC gear.
Why are you out of breath?
Because I'm fat and I just changed my shirt.
Alright, well, what are all these other parts? That doesn't look like timing.
Well, this was supposed to be the actual goal is to make it a cool street car. We'll talk about all this stuff as we go, but no, it decided to make noise. We'll refer to the video. These guys will hear that.
Alright, so Evo 10.
Yep. Full street build.
Full street
We're bringing it up to date timing as well.
Yeah.
Hope
Look at
you're
these.
ready.
Look at these fucking gems holding. What are these guys doing? Nothing. Yeah.
Supervisor.
Standing around with the dick in my hand.
Ooh, look how fat that color looks. But anyways, back to the Evo 10.
Yeah, back to this thing.
All
Back over here.
right, back away.
4B11. So, you guys are ready to tear this up.
This guy, who is this guy?
He's new. New around here.
First day.
First day.
What are those? What are those?
Freshies.
All right, Shayne. So, talk us through what we're doing here.
Well, as of right now, I got some stuff off on this timing side of the motor because we're doing the timing.
All right.
So I started removing some stuff, some sensors and stuff. Got a hose here, just tucked it in. But so yeah, we're gonna be ripping apart this mount and get the mount off the block as well. And then we're gonna start pulling pulleys off this thing.
Cool. Let's do it.
Steel skin. Watch out for that. Priorities are us. You hungry, pumpkin?
Take this out.
Yeah, no. Let me just see. You gotta cut the wood.
Now listen, a couple things that when you talk about, my labor is $3,000 an hour,
It's cheap.
and if you use my tools, it's another $3,000 an hour.
Come in.
All right.
Come in, buddy.
Give me one of those wrenches there.
Hope nothing blows up.
Yeah, that thing's probably gonna go for a ride. Do you have the battery disconnected?
Yeah.
You have it disconnected?
I did that the other day.
You sure?
Yeah.
You disconnected his battery, not yours.
I think I did mine too. Now you got me fucked up, dude.
Disconnect the battery before we get electrocuted.
PG, can you look in there and see if the dash light's up? Is there any lights on the dash?
You sure? Turn the key on. Turn the headlights on. Hit the horn. Hit the horn. Do something. You sure you have it disconnected?
Yeah. I did his and then I did off.
It's out. Got it. It's out.
My leg's broken.
You got one here and one over there.
I should zap this wheel off quick.
The sawzall, we just cut the whole side of the car off and get it right through.
The old sawzall trick, huh?
Wise guy, eh?
The old sawzall trick, you said, huh?
Stop.
That one's pretty new.
Yeah?
It looks pretty fucking good.
It'd be a lot easier if I could just cut it off.
No.
Let's go up with the lift a little bit, Jim.
Yeah.
Typical white boy name. Probably. This fucking belt.
This fucking belt's massive.
Is it a 32 waist?
Yep. Buddy.
Just as I expected.
Come on.
Can't do that.
Come on.
So anyways, boys and girls, while my constituent is doing this, this is the culprit right here. This
that gear.
This MIVEC gear is broken. And that's why
Clickety clacking.
Shayne's wanting to do all this great work.
That's fun stuff.
The whole pulley has to come off.
I guess we'll find out. We'll just find out, I guess. What do I need? None of this stuff. I'll take this.
Did you get it out yet?
I can't figure out the old ATS unit. Hey, which one did this just come off of?
The center.
Because look, it has a copper O-ring.
Yeah, it's in the center.
That's the only one so far.
Yeah, because it's the one that's in the center. Of course, this one's going to be the tightest one.
Because it's the last one.
Because it's a fucking bitch to get to.
If I go up or down, will it make it any better? Down, maybe? What you got? Oh.
Got it.
Pop. There she was. There she was.
Fancy. Oh.
Tune in on next episode.
Yeah, let's lower. Let's replace the gear while we're here.
The gears.
Oh, you don't even have the gear. All right. That's the end of that.
Well, I'm gonna pull the pan.
For what?
Why not?
What do you need to pull the pan for?
So I can change this shit.
You can slide all that in. Want to pull the pan?
I think that's Menti said you got to pull pan.
Pull the pan.
Pull pan?
It's good enough for my doing.
Man, a random couple 12s.
All right, guys. So day 2 here of the Evo 10 extravaganza. So I was sitting over there on the bench, about to rip a quick set, and I'm like, oh, Shayne, why don't we just rip this cam gear out and just rip the cam out and keep going? We're waiting for parts. And we came over here and, you know,
Inspected the oil pan.
expected the oil pan a little bit. So I was like, all right, Shayne, how's the oil pan look? There's no metal in it, right? He's like, nah, there's no metal in it. And then he's like, oh, Nick, there's metal in it. I'm like, oh, maybe it's just from the cam gear because it's broken shit, you know? So now I'm about to yank cylinder 4 rod cap just to see if it wiped the bearing. And we'll let you guys know. How you feeling?
Anxious right now. Let's figure this out. Sean, get a motor ready, baby.
All right, guys. So yank the cap out. Doesn't look terrible. This motor has 60,000 miles on it. This is an OEM rod and bearing. Not terrible. Maybe you're lucking out, dude. Maybe it's just metal from that cam gear.
I'm hoping. Let's, I guess, put it together and we'll figure it out.
All right, guys. So we ended up taking all of them out. All the caps. Check the bearings. They all look pretty good. So fingers crossed it's not the mains and it's just some residual from the broken cam gear. I'm not 100% sure that that's what it is, but hey, you know, for a couple of bums, we're going to figure it out.
For a couple chumps, we got this. We ain't stressing it. If it's a motor, it's a motor. Where we're going, you already know the drill.
Shit. All right. So we got the cam gear out. Chains off. Shayne's banging some shit over here. Now when we put the Magnus cam gear on, the MIVEC delete, we have to use this ring, I guess, That's what the RT
The
guys
actual
are telling us.
gear,
And it has like this weird thing in here that doesn't, you know, no normal thing works. That's like a 5-point, and everybody else is a 6-point. So yeah,
we got it.
all right, Shane. What do we got here?
This is what we thought was broken, the culprit.
And it's not.
It is not.
So after further investigation and a quick call to Mr. Rafe,
What do we think?
we're thinking that I thought something was kind of weird with this rod here in cylinder 1, and my guess, as well as Rafe's, is the rod is bent and it's hitting the block, and that's why we have shavings in the pan. And we just tested.
This little piece here, as you can see, this magnet wants nothing to do with it.
So it's not magnetic.
But that, it's a real magnet.
Yeah. So that's leading us to believe that it's aluminum from
Potentially
the block. So I guess
Yeah.
the next thing we can do is just yank the motor. Kind of makes more sense to yank the motor anyways, because he's got to pull the tranny out.
We got a lot of stuff to do.
We got a lot of stuff to do anyways, so it'd be a lot easier to just yank it. If it is, we'll pull ahead, and if that's the culprit, then
Clean up the bay.
clean up the bay.
We'll make everything nice.
Put the clutch on. We'll put all the hot parts on and just put it all back up. Done.
Whoa, it's got good.
So stay tuned.
For next
That's going to end it
episode,
for this
kid.
video, though, because it's a disaster.
It's a broken one.
God damn! Yo, Shane, I'll trade you your Evo and like 35 grand for this one.
Yo, cut the video. I got a new car.